Break ID number 5867. 2018-19 Cornerstones Basketball 1-box break. Go. I just added a 2017 and a 2018 Topps Chrome Baseball. Both very close to cost. 3 teams per spot on that one, on those. And there you go. CJ McCollum to 49. Darren Collison to 139. Not bad. LeBron James downtown case hit. To the Lakers. Rolando GA. Andujar is legit, as is Bueller. Brandon Ingram jersey. Also Lakers, Rolando GA. Auto to 129, Herb Williams. Pacers. William, PF. And elusive auto to 129, Quinn Buckner. I'm going to add another Crown Royal basketball right after this one's done. Bucks, Rolando GA. All right.